One of the latest additions to the ever-growing Focus SB product family is our sleek contemporary toggle switch. All of the turn components are made from solid brass bar to the same specification as our faceplates to ensure that the final finish is a perfect match, offering a striking addition to any contemporary interior. Manufactured, tested and certified to all of the latest standards, the contemporary toggle switch is available in all of the standard switch types. Our contemporary toggle switches are suitable for use with lighting and shade control systems. With its clean and simple stalk and removal of the fixing ring to give a modern twist to a traditional design, the contemporary toggle switch is paired with our guillotined true edge plate style as standard and is available in all of the standard Focus SB finishes and plate styles.